Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a small square. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my video on how to do a treble crochet. So to get started, you are going to chain 20. Once you get your 20, you are going to chain 3, and in the fourth chain from the hook, you're going to work your first treble crochet, followed by working 7 treble crochets down the row. Once you have your 7 treble crochets, you are going to skip 3, and in the fourth one, you're going to work a treble crochet, followed by working 8 more treble crochets all the way until the end of the row. Next, we are going to turn our work and chain 3. We are going to skip the first stitch and we're going to work a treble crochet in the next stitch, followed by 5 more treble crochets down the row. We are then going to skip 4 stitches, and in the 5th stitch we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by working 6 more treble crochets to the end of the row. Now your last treble crochet for the end of this row is going to be worked in the chain 3 space from the row below. Next, we will turn our work and we are going to chain 3. We are going to skip the first stitch and we're going to work a treble crochet, followed by 3 more treble crochets. Then we are going to skip the next 4 stitches, and in the fifth stitch we are going to work a treble crochet, followed by 4 more treble crochets. Again, your last stitch will be worked in the chain 3 space from the row below. Next, we're going to turn our work, chain 3, skip the first stitch, and we're going to work a treble crochet, followed by another treble crochet. Then we are going to skip 4 stitches, and then we are going to work 3 treble crochets to the end of the row. Again, working your last stitch in that chain 3 from the previous row. Then we are going to finish off our work by turning our work, chaining 3, and we are going to work 1 treble crochet all the way at the very end in the chain 3 space from the row below. Then you are just going to fasten off your work and you have finished working a small square stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.